Hey guys, Jason here. So, obviously you guys can tell by the thumbnail, but with my collecting in Disney cars and all that, I have made a few customs. This first one, I have two customs I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you my crashed Lightning McQueen and crashed Doc Hudson. This first one, this crashed McQueen, is not my best work. The crashed McQueen, before I show it, is not the right paint job. It is actually the regular Cars 3 McQueen, not the Rusty's McQueen. And it's also one that I made a few years ago. It's not accurate. I did make another one that was actually worse. That I don't even count. But yeah, this Doc Hudson, on the other hand, while it's not totally accurate, I do like a lot better, and I think it's a lot better looking than the regular McQueen. So, let's start with the McQueen. So here, again, not my best work. I do like how I did the eyes. The tires are completely just bent. So if you set them down, that's how they'll look. Again, not my greatest work. Again, it's all Sharpie. I made this when I was probably like 14, 15, maybe even younger. Obviously, compare him to the regular McQueen, he's seen better days. But, yeah. So that is the crashed McQueen. However, the main attraction. So, I have never made a crashed Doc Hudson before. This is my first attempt. I was not able to do the popped hood or the popped trunk because I don't have anything that can cut through the diecast. But I got my grandfather to take off the rivets and drill it out. And this is what we're working with. So, for a first attempt, I really like it. I really, really like it. I used the Cars 3 Dirt Track Doc Hudson as a model. He does not have any windows, though, which means, I guess it's an earlier one. But, yeah, this is my crash Doc Hudson, and I really, really like it. I like how it looks. My favorite part, I think I was talking when I showed my grandpa this today, and when I showed it to him, I think the part that sells it is the grill and the tires, because if you set him like this, and he's looking at you, that'll probably be the thumbnail. He looks really good, and so obviously he was unscrewed. He was unscrewed for like a week or two. I took a lighter to it. Multiple times, and I burned the grill, and you can kind of see he's like, because it's plastic, I guess, or whatever it is, it's chrome. Like it's sort of like you can kind of see inside Doc there, depending on how you look at it, because of how it is. But yeah, I think that what sells it is the tires and the grill. Those are my two favorite parts of the diecast itself. But I covered it in I covered it in brown paint. Because originally what I did was I used black paint to try and do it, and I was like, that looks decent. Because I had sort of given up on it almost. So I covered it in brown paint, and I hadn't looked at any pictures from other people's customs. And I did not realize there was a lot more blue showing, so I had to scrape off some of the paint off from the brown to make it more blue, like specifically on the hood and on the roof. But as a first attempt, I really like how it turned out. And again, the base was glued back in, as well as the tires. They were glued in individually. You can see hot glue there. Perhaps not the best solution, but it does work out. it works out for what it worked out for what I was trying to do. Again, glued there. But I do really like how this looks for a first attempt. He's gonna look great on my shelf. The one thing I wish I could do at the moment, I don't have any blue paint with me, but is color in the eyes, or like put paint on the eyes to make it either look like he's like sleeping, or like just tired, or like half eye almost like how I did the Mcqueen. Yeah, so there is crashed Doc Hudson and crashed Mcqueen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.